Hello everybody, I am Uttam Kumar Tamboli, a student of BE Civil Engineering of Lakshmi Chand Institute of Technology, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. My model is Innovative Wood as Sanitizer. I have made this model under the theme of Waste Management of Swachh Bharat category. As we are in midst of a pandemic, the word sanitizer has made an inseparable space in our lives. But that's not the case everywhere. There are many rural places in our country where people don't have the resources to afford using sanitizer for their safety. And you may also remember the point where the entire nation faced shortage of sanitizers in the market, and in fact the entire world. That hampered the health condition of numerous citizens of the nation and the entire world. Moreover, I would like to draw your attention to one more problem of our country, and that's wood ash waste management, which is generated when wood is burned as a fuel in villages to cook food and to maintain warm temperature in the time of winter, like we are in right now. It is considered to be a waste, but I decided to use it as a resource, and that too to make one of the most vital products of the present time, and that's sanitizer. For making it, I have used the following raw materials: wood ash left after burning wood, paddy straw, non metallic filter, example normal filter, a wooden box to enclose the entire system, and two containers. After studying about wood, I came to know about following of its composition. I observed that its composition has certain ingredients which on simple hydrolysis and slight evaporation can be made into a liquid substance which can primarily be used as hand sanitizer and also for cleansing purposes. For doing this, we take the wooden container and fill wood ash, paddy, sand and non-metallic filter from top to bottom sequence. You can see the process in this figure. After assembling the system, we pour water into it. The process of hydrolysis starts after that. We start getting a leachate as a product on the receiving end after the water passes through all the layers that we have assembled. We keep it for some time for evaporation and our final product is ready. It is a very simple process which gives a magical output at the end. With this innovation, we can control the diseases emerging due to improper hand washing or hand sanitizing facilities, and waste can also be managed. It is highly cost effective. Only a small amount of investment is required at the time of installation. So, if this innovation can be scaled up, then we can hit two targets with one arrow. One, the wood ash will be managed as a worthy resource instead of polluting the environment. Two, even the lowest denominator of the society can make use or afford proper sanitation facilities to make our nation healthier than ever. Thank you very much.